Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode, we're going to look at how you can add a profile picture to your Gmail inbox. Let's get straight into it. So, adding a picture to your Gmail account is a pretty straightforward and painless process. As you can see at the moment, only the Gmail generated image is shown. The fastest way to update this is to click the image and then click on the camera icon next to the current profile image. And you'll see that a select box appears. To select your image, just click Select a photo from your computer. You see the image is uploaded. You can then adjust how the image is shown by moving the frame to position it and by using these toggle handles to move the image around, just so you can get it just how you like. And let me click Set as Profile Photo. Now, have a little think about it, and you'll see that our image here changes to reflect that. Please do mix and match these customizations I've shared and find the right display setting that works best for you. If you found this Woggle guide useful, please do like or subscribe below so that other users can find it too.